Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing my Einhell planer that I just recently got. Yeah, it's another Einhell DIY tool that I'm really enjoying using because they are such high quality, good products. And I've really loved the whole package of this Einhell ecosystem. I bought this specific unit from Toolcraft. Toolcraft did not sponsor this video. I just thought I'd just give them a shout out because of the great quality and the great service that they offer. Einhell is a German design quality. These are fantastic tools. They really have a great quality about them at a really good price. Locally, I'm getting them very, very well priced. In comparison to a machine that is wired, I'm getting a wireless machine for a comparable price to the wired machines. And I love the convenience of using these battery packs. You just take a battery pack, snap it in, and you're ready to go. No finding extension cords, no running around looking for plugs or anything like that. And I'm loving that in all my Einhell tools. The Einhell Power Exchange battery set can run on a wide range of products. As you can see by this image, everything from drills, grinders, cutters, lawnmowers, all that kind of thing. Vacuum cleaners, they've got all of that in this ecosystem for the coolers, and they all use one battery. You can get a 2.5 amp hour, you can get a 5 amp hour, you can get a 4 amp hour. These are really flipping good quality and they last forever. I've used these tools. I've never ever had to switch out a battery, even though I've got 3 or 4 of these batteries now, plus I recently got the 4 amp hour just to give me that extra time. But so far I have not used any of these products to their full time frame, and had to use a new battery and swap out the battery. But if I did have to, I just take out the battery, put another one in, and carry on working. As I said, these are all 18 volts, so the 18 volt battery system there are some items like, for example, a lawnmower where you'd have 2 of these batteries on that system. The Einhell tool itself comes with a solid aluminium base. It has this V-slot cut in here. Let me just show that on that camera. It has this V-slot in for a chamfered edge. And yeah, the quality of this tool is next level. It has an 82mm cutting blade, so the entire width here of the cutting blade is 82 millimeters. You can cut in one pass 82 millimeters with a max depth of 2 millimeters. You set the depth with this front knob over here. It's got increments of 0.5, 1 millimeter. These are all in millimeters. So 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, you've got all of that all the way up to a full depth of 2 millimeters. And the knob acts as a nice way of using it as a grinder and making it comfortable to use. I found this machine incredibly comfortable to use, and it's also got this park position. If you look underneath the machine here, it's got this little plastic part that pops out. That is so when you lay it flat on the table or on your work area, you're not damaging your work area or damaging your blade. So that protects the blade and protects your work area. It does come with a couple of extras in the box. It does not come with the battery. You have to buy the battery separate. You do get deals where you can get the machine and a battery pack with it. And oddly enough, those have sometimes worked out cheaper than the individual parts, cheaper than the planer or the battery, and you're getting both. So look out for those deals. They do come around quite often, and I've seen them. I've bought them. A lot of my tools I've bought with the battery. This one I did not buy with the battery. It comes with a parallel guide. This is how you attach to the machine in order to get your parallel guide, and also a depth gauge, so you can do a side-by-side cut, getting the correct depth, so you get a stepped action inside your cut. Now, I had a bit of an issue with my front door. We got new tiles put in and the bottom of the door was scraping against the tiles. I left it for a while. I got this machine and I thought, wait a minute, this is a perfect project for this machine. So as you can see here, as I opened the door, it was scraping on the tiles. I took my Einhell the screwdriver attachment, I unscrewed all the hinges, took it off the wall, and with one hand I did the planing of this. Super smooth, super easy, super clean. By the way, it doesn't come with that bag. I just want to say that I was using a bag from another machine. I then screwed the door back on, and away we go. We checked the door and we tested it, and it's fixed. So I'm super pleased about that. Yeah, as I said, that does not come with that bag. This does have the attachment onto your vacuum cleaner, your shop vac, or I use the bag from my Einhell crosscut saw that I reviewed last week. So yeah, I was a little bit disappointed to see that it didn't come with the bag, but other than that, it comes with great quality. It's a great machine, and really love this machine. Let me know if you want me to review some more of my Einhell tools. I've got a couple of other Einhell tools that I have bought, and some really great machines that have helped me hugely. I've also got the Matic impact drill. That thing is amazing. It compares with my Hilti. My Hilti drilling machine got stolen and I replaced it with the Einhell cordless. The convenience factor of this battery is off the charts. Off the chart. I love this system. When you, as I said earlier on, slot your battery in and you're ready to go, like a quick draw 6 drawer that you're ready to go and fight your battle and do your woodworking. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit a like there and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Really enjoyed doing this video. Let me know if you want me to do some more. Thanks so much. Cheers. God bless.